Okay guys, welcome to the channel. Hey, my first unboxing of the year, and check out this box it came in. Yeah, I'm not too impressed really with the shipping here. Came from Germany. I was surfing the internet one night, and this is a model actually I've been looking at for a while, but never took the plunge, and I decided, yep, I'm gonna do it. I'm just gonna do it. This is a limited edition. So okay, we got the paperwork, let's got some packaging. Ooh, sorry for the camera. Open this guy up. Timeland watches. Okay, that's not who I bought it from. You can see this. Let me get this out of the road here. Yeah, that's terrible, terrible shipping. This is not who I bought it from, but it was a seller from Germany. And yeah, I said I was surfing the internet one night, and I always thought these were really cool watches. There we go, standard Seiko box. I always thought these were really cool watches, so I took the plunge. I thought I'm gonna buy it, and I did. I guess you can hear my dog and cat running around in the background. But okay, there's the booklets. What do we got there? Okay. Serial numbers. This is a limited edition to 2018 pieces, I think. And let's look at it. Oh yeah, there it is. I did it. The Seiko Turtle Dawn Gray. I just fell in love with this dial, and I thought it was so cool looking, and I just had to do it. Awesome bracelet. This is one that you know, I've been getting into turtles a little bit more. Of course, I'm into monsters, but this is one that I just had to have in my collection. Yeah, Seiko Tsunami in the back here. I will be giving this a full review. I got to get it sized. I'm going to do that. The pin, I don't know if it's a pin and collar or not. I should know that, but yeah, I don't. I'm going to size this guy up and wear it for a couple of weeks, give my opinions and review on it. And I just love that dial. Don't you? Let me get a close-up of that guy. Oh yeah, that is nice. I just ordered a strap, NATO strap from Brazil. I think it was off cheapstraps.com or something. It was the only place I could find one that just like really accommodated the gray and the orange together. So hopefully I'll get that in a couple of weeks and be able to match it up, pair it up with this watch. And I just love it. What else is in the box? Let's check out what else is in the box. Okay, we got the tags. This was sold as brand new, and I think it's like number 1,800 or something out of 2018. Have this rubber Seiko gray rubber strap, which I probably actually will be wearing more than the stainless steel bracelet. I don't like to mess those up. I don't know why. I just don't like it. It's really soft, and I'm sure this feels awesome on the wrist. Might actually even buy a strap code strap for it. I have one of those for my turtle, Blue Lagoon. One last look at this. You know what? Let me get this on the wrist. I am going to get a wrist shot. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, there it is. The SRPD01K1, actually. SRPD01K1. I think it looks phenomenal. I'm going to get back with all the dimensions and tell you what I think of it in the review. Please be sure to watch for that one. Hey, if you like this video, Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you love the content. There's a lot more coming. Hope you're having a great day. And I hope you like this watch. I sure do. Stay well.